How to switch to professional account on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner under Settings and Activity. Scroll down and tap Account Type and Tools. Then choose Switch to Professional Account. Tap Continue through the introduction screens until Instagram asks you to choose a category. Select the category that best describes your content or business. Then tap Done or Switch to Professional Account. Now choose whether you want a creator account or a business account. A creator account is ideal for influencers, public figures, and content creators, while a business account is better for brands, shops, and companies.
Tap Next.
That's it. You've successfully switched to a professional account on Instagram. You can now access professional tools, account insights, and other features to help grow your audience. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, social media tutorials, and easy tech guides.